So we know that the dimensions are 7 by 7 by 7. So to get the area of the total cube, we know it's length times width times height. So 7 times 7 times 7 gives us 343. This is for total cube before the holes. So if we look at the holes, this one's a little bit different than our other problem. It's missing the middle. But this one here, we know it has 4 holes and they go all the way through. So they penetrate by 7 cubes. So 7 this way times 4 will give us 28. So we'll call this our first side. It has 28 holes coming this way. Now let's look going back this way. This one also has 4 and it goes through 7. But along the way it encounters spaces that have already been drilled through. So it has 28 to start with. We'll call this our second side. So it starts with 28, but then we have to subtract where it hits these other holes that have already been drilled through this way. So this one will hit 1, 2. This one will hit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to subtract the 8 that it misses. So that side has 20 holes. And the last one, the third side, or you could call it the top. It also would have 28 coming down. There's 4 holes that drill down 7 cubes. However, we have to subtract where it hits the other holes. So this one would hit 1, 2. This one would go 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one on the back side would go hit to also 7, 8. So we have to subtract 8, and this one has 20. So this section here gives us our total holes. So 28 plus 20 plus 20 gives us 68 total holes that we have to subtract from our total cube area. So if we do that, 343 minus 68 holes, you're going to be left with 275 cubes.